Alright guys, welcome back, and today it's 8th anniversary na ng MXC. And actually hindi today no, pero nag 8th anniversary na sila. And let's see, itatry natin i-analyze if MXC is nag-upgrade ba or hindi. So tara, let's go. Okay, so currently we are at mexc.com, and yun nga guys, meron silang 8th anniversary nila. Since 8th anniversary na sila, MXC brand upgrade na sila, infinite opportunities with zero fees na sila. And zero fees po sila, okay? Your zero fee gateway to infinite opportunities. And basically, yun yung pinaka milestone na na-achieve nila this 8th anniversary of theirs. Okay, ito makikita niyo yan sa kanilang X post nila, yung kanilang X official post. On our 8th anniversary, we're removing the limits. Okay, MXC is now your zero fee gateway to infinite opportunities. Ito makikita mo yan dito. Ano, di ba? And actually sa MXC guys, hindi lang coins ang meron dan, meron sila ditong stocks. I think all of the assets, okay, na makikita mo, e-assets meron dito kay MXC. Katulad dito, di ba? May mapapakita dito. Ito, mapapakita na dan. Okay, actually dito makikita nyo dito yung mga stocks. Ayun, may mga coins, may mga stocks, and ayun, may mga Tesla, di ba? May mga gold, may oil, and basically halos lahat ng assets is makikita mo dito kay MXC. Kasi ngayon nga, sabi nga nila dito, removing the limits. Okay, since nga dito nag-upgrade nga sila kanila ng system, removing the limits, lahat na ng assets is pwede mong ma-access here at MEXC. Okay? And syempre guys, ito, join MEXC and get USDT. Enjoy most trending tokens, everyday airdrops, extremely low fees, and comprehensive liquidity. And sabi nga dito, since na-upgrade nila, zero fee gateway to infinite opportunities na siya. Okay? And ito, Victoria Seychelles, April 8, 2026, MEXC, the world leader in zero-fee digital asset trading today, announced a comprehensive brand upgrade to mark the 8th anniversary. Ayan. This milestone transformation signals MEXC evolution from a traditional exchange into a universal gateway for global market, but built on the two pillars of zero fees and infinite opportunities. Ibig sabihin guys, ayun nga, available na rin sa kanila ang mga basically ang iba't ibang assets tulad ng stocks and syempre crypto. Okay, meron din dan. Ayan, katulad dito. Ito mga futures. Okay, meron din silang hot tokens dito. Ayan. May mga metals na rin sila. Available na rin sa kanilang metals. Crude oil, meron din po sila. Stocks, meron din. And basically, madami pang iba. Ayan o. Kita nyo naman din yan. Ayan o, mga crude oil. May Petron din sila guys. Actually, ayan o. May Petron. May nakita akong Petron dito kanina. Ayan. Diba? Marami sila ditong, kumbaga, nag-upgrade sila. Nag-unlimited na, infinite na yung mga assets na pwede mong i-access dito kay MEXC. And guys, this is not sugar coating, no, hindi natin siya gusto i-sugar coat, but I'm just pointing out kung ano yung in-upgrade ni MEXC dun sa kanilang 8th anniversary. Okay? Wow! Sorry guys, may marinig kita. And then nga guys, so ito, the walls between asset closes, crypto equities and commodities begin to collapse into a single continuous global trading system. Yet, rising fees and friction have restricted user access. So, MXC directly addresses this imbalance, aiming to make global opportunities more accessible regardless of geography or capital. Okay. So, MXC prioritize product strength and a zero fee model. Okay ba? Ito, di ba? Guys, ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi lang crypto, hindi lang tokens ang meron sila. Meron na rin silang mga stocks, metals, and oils. Okay. And sabi nga dito, guys, more possibilities, guys. More accessible, more open, and more connected. And beyond pricing, guys, zero fees is a structural commitment to remove one of the biggest barriers in trading: share volume and unified access. And basically, if you need to know more about this brand upgrade, infinite opportunities with zero fees na blog. You can check it out on MEXC sa blog.mexe.com. I will link it down below sa ating description box, okay? And syempre, makikita nyo rin naman yan. Make sure to check it out na rin para malaman ninyo na okay. Kayo na rin, ihusga nyo, i-analyze nyo rin if the MEXC new upgrade or nag-upgrade nga ba talaga itong si MEXC. And guys, if you join MEXC today, you can enjoy free USDT. Meron silang mga ganyan, meron silang mga binibigay na bonus sa mga users bonus. And syempre, marami rin silang mga airdrop, okay? And then nga guys, ito guys, ayan, MEXC, meron silang sa markets nila, makita nyo na dito yan. And basically, all the data, ang dami nila guys, AI powered na rin. Meron silang AI feature guys. Actually, ito, kitang-kita nyo na dito, may mga AI feature na heat map. Ayan, actually, kitang-kita na rin dito ang heat map. Diba? And basically, a lot of features is available here at MEXC. And actually, personally, kitang-kita ko rin naman na upgrade din naman talaga. Ang kudos sa inyo, MEXC, your 8th anniversary is definitely a worth it upgrade para sa mga MEXC users tulad ko. MEXC users din naman ako, diba guys? And sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang tagal na rin natin gumagawa ng videos about MEXC, and today marked their April 8 marked their 8th anniversary with the brand upgrade. Okay, infinite opportunities na sila. And napakadami na. Actually guys, ngayon ko na lang ulit chinek si MEXC, and ngayon ko lang nakita itong meron na pala siyang gold, meron na pala siyang stocks, meron na siyang oils, and basically napakaganda nito kasi pinagsama na sila guys. Pinagsama na ang pag-trade nun. Diba? Kagandahan nan, pwede ka na mag-trade nun and hindi mo na kailangan mag-broker. Okay? Diba? And guys, make sure to check it out. Ito po yung kanilang MEXC X-Post, official post nila, yung 8th anniversary nila. Zero fees nga, diba? And basically, make sure to check it out na lang para alam ninyo. Okay? And yun guys, maraming salamat po. This is the MEXC brand upgrade, infinite opportunities with zero fees. I am Cheese Gaming. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.